Hello friends! Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful embroidery design. Let's go! For this we need ribbons and embroidery floss, a piece of cloth, an embroidery frame, tapestry needles, a pair of scissors and a pencil. First, we have to insert the cloth to the frame. Then, draw the sketch on the cloth using a pencil. Like this. Let's stitch the stems. For the stems, we use embroidery floss. You can use the back stitch. Here we have our stems. Let's stitch the flowers by loop stitch. I am using 1/2 inch ribbon. Let's add some French knots to the center. Here we have finished our first flower. 2 more flowers to go. We have finished all 3 flowers. Instead of French knots, you can use beads as well. It's the time to stitch the flower buds. We can use the straight stitch here. We have finished the flower buds, sepals and leaves. Let's fill the gaps. Now we are almost done with the design. I am adding few beads to make it more beautiful. Like this. Now we can show the ground by using brown color ribbon. You can make a vase here if you need. And you can add more petals and buds upon your creativity. It's awesome, isn't it? Thanks for watching.